If you're feeling confused about negative numbers, this video is for you. So 1a, we've got -3 take away 2. Now when we're adding and subtracting negative numbers, I want you to think about negatives as being a direction. So when we are taking away, we're going left, and when we're adding, we're going to the right. So in this first one here, you can see we're starting off at -3, so we're starting off right here, and then we're taking away 2. So that means we need to go 2 to the left, and whatever number we land on is our answer, so -5. This one here, we're starting on -8, so all the way down here, then we're adding 3, so we go 3 to the right, and we land on -5. Now the first little trick here, if you ever see two negative symbols right next to each other, so they're about to touch, that actually means the same as a plus. So what I like to do is just fill that in there to turn it into a plus. And obviously 5 plus 1, nice and easy, that's just going to give us 6. So in this last one here, we've got -2 plus 6. So we're starting off at -2, and then we're adding 6. So we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right, and that lands on +4. So the answer is just 4. Now that's how you add and take away negative numbers. You're just sliding up and down the number line. Now I wouldn't recommend drawing out a number line. The more you practice these, you'll be able to do these in your head, no problem. Okay, question number 2. So now we're going to learn how to times and divide negative numbers. Basically a negative and a positive make a negative, and two negatives make a plus. One way of thinking about this is if the numbers are on the same team, so if they're both positive or they're both negative, then the result is going to be positive because they can work together. If one is positive and one is negative, then the result is going to be negative because they're on opposite teams. So in 2a here, we've got -5 times by 2. Now they're working against each other, so that's going to be a minus, and 5 times 2 is 10. Part B, we've got 8 divided by -4, and again, they're working against each other, so it's going to be a negative, and 8 divided by 4 gives you 2. Now -10 times by -3, they're both negatives, they're on the same team, so it's going to get a positive result. And 10 times 3 is 30, so that's +30. And the last one, -12 divided by -4, again, they're on the same team, so it's going to be positive. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. Here's some for you to try. Pause the video and give them a go.